So I've got to go to a place called Acton in London. Drop Mike off. I'm not sure what car he's going to buy, knowing him, but probably another Maserati. And here he is. That's my man. Hello, Michael.
Happy days.
How are you, mate? You alright? You good?
Here we come.
Acton?
Yeah.
What do I go all the way down to Acton for? Are you buying a car?
Yep. I had a DB9, and then I swapped it for a Vanquish.
Oh, okay, you're keeping that one a nice. So what's this one for? Is this what for your
running around?
Running around in S-Class Mercedes?
It's not right.
S-Class.
The best place to park right now. Yeah, I told him he's gonna get a ticket if he's on risk.
Oh shit! I'll go back and get the car moved then. Right, I'm going home. This is not good for a human being to be in a place like this, I tell you. Cannot go past a McDonald's without getting myself a hot chocolate now, can we? Oh, spot on, that's great. Cheers, thank you. For 99p, I think McDonald's has to be the best. Yeah, good little earner that. I got a £50 tip. Fresh air and countryside. Can't get enough of it. Somewhere slightly different now. To stay within Stratton Woods itself, so we'll fly over that direction, I think. Low. You've got to be careful when you're flying it low. If you were to lose it in this, I mean, to be honest, you might not ever find it again. So you just got to be a bit careful. Okay, that was a successful flight. So anytime you get your drone back in one piece, I count that as a bit of a success. I just want to get out here really and have a bit of a flight with my drone. Really enjoyed it. After driving in London, I mean, you've got to come out here and just relax and unwind a little bit. Anyway, if you like the video, please
subscribe and like.
Thank you, Hallie. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care and bye for now.